How to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and then just scroll down until you find Instagram, and here is it. Then just click on it and then click force stop and go to storage, and here we'll find Instagram storage. All you need to do is just click clear cache, and then you can just click clear data and click OK, and then just go back, and that's it. It will be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.